Welcome back, everybody. So glad you could be with me here today. Walter here at the workbench with the battle of the two Veritas 4.5 smoothing planes. They're standard and they're custom. And as I mentioned in the previous video, the Veritas 4.5 weighs in at 5.092 pounds. And the custom is the lightweight of the two at 4.84 pounds. Very close. So we did the video of the standard. Now we're going to do the custom. The custom, as the name implies, has some customizable features. You can change the tote, you can change the knob, you can change the frog angle, okay, by ordering a different angle frog. You can't adjust this one, you can change it. The tote feels just a little different, but it is a very similar tote to what was on that one. So there we go with that. As to the adjuster and such, it is once again still a Norris adjuster that you can't adjust without stopping. You can't do it on the fly. So we're going to back that up a little and start on the cherry as we always do. We'll bring the adjuster forward until the blade makes contact. And it is making contact right there. Adjust it a little further. And there's our cut. As you can see, I have it set about the same as I did on the standard. We're getting those accordion type shavings. It's not my favorite. But what we are doing is we are closing the mouth down as far as we can in order to get tear out free cuts. So I would say this one may be a fraction wider than that one. So we've removed all the registration marks. As for tear out, we still have that, still have that, still have this and this and this one. So let's try reducing the cut. To a very, very fine cut and going across it at an angle. You can feel the weight difference So we've gone across the whole thing at an angle. And I would say that made some improvement. Still have one here and here. This one is better. That's much better. That's better. Still a little bit there and there. Okay. On to the other side. So I just knocked my microphone, and I believe I sent my pencil flying. We'll have to work with this one then. No problem. All right. We're going to try to get just a little more cut. And we're going to go a little bit at an angle right from the start. So that's about it. I think I'm feeling a little bit of adjustment is necessary. Because there's a little bit of a plane track here, right in here. That's the only place. And that's gone. All right. Little bit of tear out there and there, and this section here, that section there. It's the wood. I mean, as you can see, getting a good cut. I would like to try to see what it does if I open the mouth just a little bit. I'd like to see how much the chip breaker is doing the work and how much the plain body itself. Yeah, it is the chip breaker that's causing the accordion. Okay, so that solves that. On to the Beech. After I close the mouth again. Alrighty. If you have any comments or questions or suggestions, please leave them down in the comment section. All right. See, now I find myself holding this down lower and actually my hand's touching the wood. User. It's the user interface. Has to be adjusted. All right. That side is done. Smooth, smooth, smooth. No problems. Just this section here, which as I continue to say, should have been cut off. Now let's see what we got over here. I'm not expecting any problems on this front section. All the registration marks are gone. That is smooth like glass. And now for the bark inclusion and knots back here. Wow, that was easy. It's smooth, except for that one little area. So there's that. You can't get much better than that. So there you have it, everybody. The Veritas Custom 4.5 smoothing plane versus the Veritas Standard 4.5 smoothing plane. If you can change your mindset as to what a plane is, how it should be built, how you adjust it, how you hold it. The Veritas planes are very uniquely designed. Personally, I do like the standard one somewhat more than the custom because it has what is basically a standard blade set. It has the chip breaker with the bump on it, what I'm used to and I like, and it's got just a thick regular blade. The custom has that very unique blade system, very unique. I do like the cap with its widened foot instead of the screw being just a point. I do like that. And I would have to get used to the Norris adjusters. But as you have seen, there's no con to the planes as to their performance. Couldn't go wrong with either one of these. So as to fit and finish, we're going to talk about that more in my conclusion. I'm a little old school. I like a smoother, shinier surface, but everybody's using this type of a finish, and I don't know if it's a powder coated ceramic finish or what it is. I don't know. They're all using it. So the other thing about the custom is you have to have this Allen wrench, and you have that tiny screw, which you should have spares of. So you should have a spare Allen wrench and spare parts for your blade set. Questions, comments, suggestions in the comment section. Don't forget to give it the old thumbs up. Your likes are important to the continuation of this channel. And subscribe and share this video everywhere. Share it on social media, on woodworking channels, everywhere. Share it. We want people to know what we're doing. So head out to your shop. Go make some nice shavings. Walter out.